Welcome to our virtual award presentation. Usually we present these awards on a stage in a room full of people, but we wanted to present the awards live because the work that the recipients have done is critical to our community and they are so very important to us. I have the distinct honor of being your host, Michael Ratar, the current Vice Chair of Legal Aid and Coast to Coast Legal. I'm so excited to be part of the presentation of the Attorney of the Year Award. And now, without further ado, I'd like to introduce Cheryl Francis, Board Chair for both Legal Aid programs in Broward, who will present the Attorney of the Year Award to Ed O'Sheehan.
Thank you, Michael. The Attorney of the Year Award is presented to an attorney who has gone above and beyond to support our mission and those we serve. Ed O'Sheehan does just that, and on a daily basis. I'm very proud to present this award to Ed, who, in addition to all of the things I just mentioned, also serves on our board of directors, giving generously of his time to help steer the legal aid programs into the future. He has handled pro bono cases for Broward Lawyers Care and the Mission United Veterans Pro Bono Project at Legal Aid since 1999, including consumer probate, housing, and public benefit issues. In recent years, he has also represented seniors to assist them with financial issues, and he also handled a probate case to help a minor child receive his inheritance after his father's death in another state. Ed also has provided training and mentorship to legal aid staff on issues including trust, estates, and guardianships, and has recruited his colleagues at Schutz to volunteer and co-counsel with him. Ed O'Sheehan is a partner in the Fort Lauderdale office of Schutz & Bowen LLP, where he is a member of the business litigation practice group and chair of the firm's pro bono committee. Ed also provides representation for clients in matters involving the Hague Convention on the civil aspects of international child abduction. He's a former U.S. Marine, is a lieutenant colonel, and now serves as a staff judge advocate for the Florida Army National Guard. So again, congratulations, Ed, and I'm very proud to present this award to you today. Well deserved.
Thank you very much, Cheryl. Thank you. I'd like to show the award. Appreciate that. I want to say thank you very much to Legal Aid and Coast to Coast and the attorneys there for all they do for people in our community who really need the help, and not only the attorneys there, but the staff. And for the past 40 years, I think we really have to give a shout out and say thank you to Tony for starting up the program and being there for all that he's done for the program. I've been associated with legal aid actually since I was in college in Ohio. One of my first legal jobs was working for Southeast Ohio Legal Services when I was in college as an undergrad. And that kind of introduced me to the type of attorneys who work for legal aid and the important work they do helping people who really need it. And it's interesting, it also kind of ties in. I've been in the military for 35 years as a military attorney for the past 22. And in the military, we do what's called legal assistance. We help out soldiers with minor problems. We can't actually represent them in court, but many of these junior soldiers, but for being in the Army, they probably would qualify for legal aid services. So I've got to do that and help people out. And since I've been with Schutz & Bowen, who's a big supporter of our pro bono efforts in the community throughout all of our offices. For the last 15 years, I've been working with Barry University, who's the public guardian, and that's the guardianship probate that Cheryl referred to, and helping people, indigent wards who become incompetent and don't have family who can help take care of them. And Barry University does that, and I provide the legal services to them. And I think one of the questions is why? Why does somebody do pro bono work? Why should we do pro bono work? The Florida Bar doesn't necessarily require it. It encourages it. But I would strongly encourage it just to give back to the community, because it's important, I think, to give back. And regardless of how you came to become a lawyer, you're in a blessed place by being an attorney. And I think it's important to reach back, reach down, and help people out. And our firm, Schutz & Bowen, I'm now the chair of our pro bono committee for the firm. And we give credit to our attorneys for doing pro bono. We encourage it. And actually our managing partner here in Fort Lauderdale, Joe Goldstein, he always preaches to give back. He talks about how blessed we are, how lucky we are. You need to do something for the community. And he doesn't just say that and encourage associates and encourage other attorneys to do it. He's actually, in the last couple of years, he's taken pro bono cases himself through legal aid and the Broward Lawyers Care. So I think it's very important that we do that. So I just want to thank Michael and Cheryl and the boards of Legal Aid also and Coast to Coast for everything that you do and the time that you give. And again, I just want to say thank you again for this award, and it's a true honor and blessing. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations, Ed. And thank you to our Facebook Live audience. My work would not be complete without reminding you that you can make a donation to celebrate Ed's work. Just go to the event page on Facebook or visit our website at coasttocoastlegalaid.org. Thank you for joining us today and have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you.